to the Great Movie Ride. Once again, my name is Megan, and on behalf of Disney's Hollywood Studios and Turner Classic Movies, please welcome our host for this one-of-a-kind tour, Robert Osborne.
Thank you. We're ready for Hollywood indeed. What better way to start our journey? From the Old West to the rooftops of London and along the yellow brick road, there really is no place like the movies. One of Hollywood's significant contributions to the world of film were great musicals. This scene is from one of my favorites, the 1933 Busby Berkeley spectacular, Footlight Parade. Here's one of the most famous of all dance sequences. It's from the 1952 musical classic, Singing in the Rain.
Here's Gene Kelly, Singing in the Rain. Literally.
Here's one of the quintessential Disney musicals, Mary Poppins, starring Julie Andrews and Dick Van Dyke. This classic earned 13 Academy Award nominations.
Chim Chim Cheree, I love this song. Sing along. Walt and purses, folks. This doesn't look like a very good neighborhood.
Here's the birthplace of the gangster film, the seedy underbelly of Chicago from The Public Enemy, starring James Cagney. Released in 1931 before strict censorship rules were enforced, Public Enemy is a gritty, realistic, and violent look at the world of gangsters of the Depression era.
I love this movie. In one famous scene, James Cagney shoves a grapefruit in Mae Clark's face. She can only have breakfast in the same way again. These tough guys can turn anything into a weapon.
You're going to take it. And you're going to kick in with the dough. And if you don't, somebody's going to drop by here and kick your teeth out one at a time. Get me? I get you. Now, easy. You got it, eh?
Sorry about the delay, folks, but I don't want to run a red light, even in the movies.
Hey! Hey, you! Come here!
I'm not allowed to leave my vehicle.
I said get over
I
here.
think it's time for a visit to a concession stand. Bye.
Mr. Osborne, wait, okay, let's see whatever you say.
Hey, Cupcake! How'd you know where your money was? Hey, Tootsie! Any fancy cars? Why'd you get out of here? So beat it!
You're making a big mistake here, Osborne.
Hey, since we're out of here, you're gonna get out of here. You just walk out real quick. I want business house!
Get out! Get behind us!
Everybody minds refusing cues and maybe won't get hype. Whoa! This must be the west side of town, huh?
Western films depict the legendary American wild frontier, where cowboys and their loyal steeds maintain order in towns against the untamable wilderness. John Wayne and Clint Eastwood are two of the iconic stars who epitomize this ideal of the stoic gunslinger.
Sleepy little bug, ain't it?
That's some mighty tough territory you're getting into, Pilgrim. I'd think about turning back if I was you. That is, if you want my opinion.
Well, now that we're in the clear, this is the perfect time for me to collect up all your valuables. We'll start with the jewelry and then make our way. Hey, I don't even work this neighborhood, Papa. This is nuts. I'm nuts to this. I'm getting out of here.
You'll swing for this.
Oh, look at it this way. I can't get anybody. Ow. Ow. Okay. That's right. Well, I don't know about you guys, but this is starting to get kind of creepy. Where are we? Jersey?
Science fiction has been a staple of classic movies, from George Méliès's A Trip to the Moon to George Lucas's Star Wars. In 1979, director Ridley Scott and Sigourney Weaver made audiences believe that in space, no one can hear you scream. This is Alien.
Hey, Cupcake! How do we get out of here?
Warning, remain in your vehicle. The area you are entering is extremely dangerous. Proceed with caution.
Look out! What is that thing? There it is again! Well, that's enough creepy crawly things for one day. Right? Run.
Steven Spielberg and George Lucas cemented their status as the blockbuster boys with their first partnership. Here from that legendary collaboration is Harrison Ford as archaeologist Indiana Jones in Raiders of the Lost Ark.
Snakes! Why did it have to be snakes?
Some of the biggest horror stars of Hollywood appear in the ancient story of the cursed Egyptian temple. A priceless jewel that beckons to all, but be warned, the temptation always leads to destruction.
Wow, get a load of that shut guys. Time for me to get back to White. Good thing I don't read the ghost stories. Don't know any before I go get the guts. I don't think they notice a few extra bodies around here, if you know what I mean.
I've seen enough movies to know that you really shouldn't even think about trying to steal that jewel.
Oh, unbeliever, disturb the treasure of the gods, and you shall all pay with
created by the Lumiere brothers in 1897. Wow, it's really a jungle out there. Where are we?
This is the jungle home of one of the most famous movie characters of them all, Tarzan. The movie's most popular Tarzan is undoubtedly Johnny Weissmuller, who's run through 12 films as Victor in the Jungle.
Over there we have Lorena Sullivan as Jane, and Tarzan's sidekick Cheetah, who was portrayed by over a dozen chimpanzee actors over the years.
Here's Humphrey Bogart in his most famous film role. In 1942, Bogey finally got to spread his wings and romance the beautiful Ingrid Bergman in Casablanca.
That plane is the ground. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but soon, the rest of your life. Souls have passed. Did have. Lost it until you came to Casablanca. We got it back last night. I've got a job to do too. Where I'm going, you can't follow. What I've got to do, you can't be any part of. Luther, I'm no good at being noble. It doesn't take much to see that the problems of three little people don't amount to a hill of beans in this crazy world. Someday you'll understand that. Here's looking at your kid.
And now, one of the most famous movie stars in one of his greatest roles, Mickey Mouse, as the Sorcerer's Apprentice in Fantasia.
When the film came out in 1940, Walt Disney promised to add new musical sequences in the future. His nephew Roy kept that promise 60 years later with the release of Fantasia 2000.
We've come over the rainbow and into one of the most beloved and most watched films in movie history, The Wizard of Oz.
Toto, I have a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore. Kill anybody.
Well, my little pretty, I can cause accidents too.
Rubbish, you have no power. Here, be gone before somebody drops a house on you, too.
Very well. I'll bide my time. But just try to stay out of my way. Just try. I'll get you, my pretty, and your little dog, too.
How do we get out of here? What are you folks think? Which way do we go?
Follow the yellow brick road.
Oh, the yellow brick road. Now, why didn't I think of that sing-along post? You know the words.
Disney's Hollywood Studios and Turner Classic Movies. We hope you've enjoyed our tour through some of my favorite films, but remember, there are many more adventures waiting for you every day on TCM.
We didn't need dialogue. We had faces.
Wait a minute. You ain't heard nothing yet. Step inside.
You best start believing in ghost stories, Miss Turner.
Is it safe?
What have you done?
I have a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore.
I'm a man. Well, nobody's perfect. Shut up.
Force will be with you always.
We'll make him an offer he can't refuse.
I want to be alone. We didn't land on Plymouth Rock. Plymouth Rock landed on us. Good morning, Vietnam!
He's looking at you, kid.
Movies, the stuff that brings you there. Hope you've enjoyed our Ultimate Celebration of Classic Movies, and remember, you can find many more beloved stories and legendary stars on Turner Classic Movies.
On behalf of Disney's Hollywood Studios and Turner Classic Movies, we'd like to thank you for joining us on the great movie ride. Now please remain seated until your vehicle comes to a complete stop. Please gather your personal belongings and take small children by the hand. And when these doors open, rise dramatically to your feet and make a grand exit directly to the rear of the vehicle.